Bonjour and welcome back. You've completed 10 lessons. What an amazing work. Today, we are learning the two most important verbs in French, être and avoir. Être means to be, and avoir is to have. These two verbs show up everywhere. Let's get started. Let's start with être, which means to be. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Let's repeat these three together. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Now let's learn avoir, which means to have. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Remember this one from day 6? J'ai une sœur, I have a sister. Let's repeat these three together. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Putting it all together, let's use both verbs in full sentences. Repeat after me. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. J'ai 20 ans. I am 20 years old. Literally, it means I have 20 years. But in French, we say that. But in English, of course, we say I am 20 years old. Tu es fatigué? Are you tired? Wonderful. In French, you use avoir for age, not être. A great fact to remember. Let's do a quick review where I'll say the phrase in French. Try to remember what it means. Je suis, that's I am. J'ai, it's I have. Tu as, that's you are. And tu as, it's you have. Bravo! You now know the two most important verbs in French, être and avoir. Try making a sentence with je suis or j'ai today. À demain. See you tomorrow for another French lesson. Au revoir.